Here's today's Social Security tip. It's easy to overlook Social Security in your working years because you really don't think about it very much. But don't overlook Social Security because it's an important part of your retirement planning. You see, 90% of retired Americans are receiving Social Security. In 2022, the average Social Security payment was $1,660 a month. Now, the maximum is $50,000 a year, but that might not be enough. You see, if you averaged about $20,000 a year in your working life, Social Security is only going to replace about 56% of your income. But if you earned as much as $100,000 on average, Social Security is only going to replace 29% of your income. That's only about $29,000 a year when you were accustomed to making $100,000. So for your benefit, it's important to use other ways to save for your retirement. The key is don't overlook Social Security, but plan to have a long and happy retirement by finding additional ways to save. I'm Van Richards, and thanks for listening to today's Social Security tip.